Hey guys, in this video I'll be teaching you how to become a member of the Homework Answers. If you've been in my class before, it's changed slightly. So what you're going to do is go to the appropriate class. For this video I'm going to go to Algebra 2, but it's the same for Pre-Calc. To do that I'm either going to click up here on Algebra 2 or I can click on the photo. Then I'm going to scroll down and you'll see that there's a button that says Homework Answers. We're going to click that. And it's going to bring us to connect. Now you'll see that I am already signed in as Ms. Harney or Mrs. Brown. You have to be logged into Connect to do this. So what I'm going to do now is I'm here for Algebra 2 homework answers. So I'm going to click on Algebra 2 and then I get a pop-up that says I need to request a membership. So I'm just going to hit request. We'll say please let me in, or let me be a member. So you're going to request a membership and then you have to wait until I approve it. So I'm going to go approve Mr. Harney so I can show you what to do next. So I just approved Mr. Harney's membership. So what you can do now is just exit out of here, go back to my website, and we're going to click on Homework Answers again. We're going to go to Algebra 2. And then you'll see that we are a member. So to actually find the homework answers, all you need to do is click on Documents, and there will be a list. So you'll see here's our first set of homework answers, the first day of school domain and range worksheet. If we click on it, we can then download. Once downloaded, there are the homework answers. So here are all of the answers to our first homework assignment.